How many people lived in the Nagar Panchayat? NAC. Okay, how many people lived in the Nagar Panchayat? Nagar Panchayat ile ఎంతమంది పిల్లలు ఉంటారు, ఎంతమంది people ఉంటారు? people ఎంతమంది ఉంటారు అంటే 20,000 to 40,000. 20,000 to 40,000. Very good. How many people lived in the municipal council? How many people lived in the municipal council? Municipal council lo people ఎంతమంది ఉంటారు? 40,000 to 40,000 to 3 lakhs. Above 3 lakhs people lived in the municipal corporation. Municipal corporation. More than 3 lakhs people lived in the municipal corporation. But 40 lakhs to 3 lakhs people lived in the municipality, municipal council. Okay, next. How many people lived in municipal corporation? More than 3 lakhs people. Next, which is the bigger than village in term population and area? A city and town. Which is the bigger than village? Which is the bigger than village? Village కన్నా పెద్దదని మనం ఏమంటామంటే
city or town.
Town
or
city. Okay. Next. Who were the members of the municipality? Municipality lo members ఏమంటామంటే councillors. Okay. Who are the members of the corporation? Municipal corporation. Very good. Corporators. Okay, now who are the members of the municipality? Councillors. Who are the members of the municipal corporation? Are called as corporators. Who are the members of the Gram Panchayat? Ward members. Okay. Who are the members of municipal corporations? Corporators. Next, who is the chairman of the municipal corporation? Who is the chairman of the municipal corporation? Municipal corporation chairman evaru? Mayor. Who is the chairman of municipal corporation? Who is the chairman of corporation? Corporation chairman is mayor. Next, which is the oldest municipality in the AP? In Andhra Pradesh, oldest municipality is Bhimunipatnam. Okay, Bhimunipatnam. Old name of Bhimunipatnam is, new name of, present name of Bhimunipatnam is Bhimili. Okay, which is the oldest municipality in the AP? Bhimili municipality was formed in 1861. Bhimili municipality was formed in 1861. Okay, which is the oldest municipality in the AP is Bhimili in the Visakhapatnam district. Present name of Bhimili. Very good. Next, when did formed Bhimunipatnam municipality? 1861. Next, when did celebrated Bhimunipatnam? 150th anniversary. When did celebrated Bhimunipatnam municipalities 150th anniversary? 150th anniversary Bhimunipatnam municipality. ఏ సంవత్సరంలో జరిగిందంటే 2011. 1861 plus 150. Okay, 1861 plus 150 equal to 2011. Okay, in the 2011 year we celebrated Bhimunipatnam municipalities anniversary.
150th.